Start your journey to Igbo language mastery by building a 1000 Igbo Words foundation. Are you ready? See me in the class. I am the Igbo tutor, Onye Nkuzi Igbo. You are welcome to the class. Now, one name. We begin with 2-letter words today, Igbo and the English meaning. Let's go. B, leaves. B, leaves. Bo, dress, as we dress our chicken. Bo, dress. Bo, is. Bo, is. Chi, God. Chi, God. Da, fall. Da, fall. They exist. They exist. Do, keep. Do, keep. Ha, them. Ha, them. Hum, behold. Hum, behold. G, yam. The edible yam. G, yam. Let's move on. Jo, reject or decline. Jo, reject. Ge, you. Ge, you. Mo, me. Mo, me. Ka, let. Ka, let. Ke, tie. Ke, tie. Ma, bet. Ma, bet. May, do, not me. May, do. Na, and. Na, and. No, available. No, available. No, here. No, here. No, here. Move on to the last page now, where we have nye, give. Nye, give. Kwe, agree. Kwe, agree. Sa, wash. Sa, wash. Si, say. Si, say. Ta, bite. Ta, bite. Te, rob. Te, rob. We, then. Not we. We, then. Ya, eat. Ya, eat. Za, answer. Za, answer. Zi, show. Zi, show. Zi, show. If you are watching us from YouTube and want more of this, please subscribe and hit the notification bell to catch our next upload. Our Facebook viewers are to join our group immediately for the next lesson. To support this project and help others to benefit, please like, share, and comment below. Daalụ nwanne m. Thank brothers and sisters. Chukwu gọzie gị. God bless you.